I'm doing this bronzy golden look. I got inspired from Dose of Colors. They uploaded a video to their channel and called it Golden Goddess, I believe. And it's a super simple look to achieve. It's a fun look, but it's really easy to achieve. And I thought, what a great look to do for like upcoming parties, for the holidays. So I show you step by step on how to get this look. So if you're interested, keep watching. So as you can see, I've already primed my eye. I just used a concealer. You can use whatever you want. You can use a concealer, matte paint pot, both work great. So let's dive right in. I'm gonna start with the Desi X Katy Friendcation palette. I'm starting with the color Churro, and that's this color right here. So I'm gonna take that, start to apply that in my crease. And this is basically going over, it's gonna go on my entire eyelid space. This is going to be a gorgeous look that you can create in just a few minutes. Seriously. It's such an easy look and it's gorgeous. All right, once you have that, I am going into this color. It's called Dirty Money. The shimmer colors in this palette are best applied with your finger. You really get the most color payoff. And if you're like me and you don't like to use your finger, I understand. But I'm telling you, I've tried this several ways, and with your finger, it's just the best. And honestly, it really is the easiest, especially with this look. So what I'm gonna do is dip my finger into that color, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna apply it. Look at that pigment. I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. And the good thing about this, especially what makes it so easy, is that you don't have to worry about it transitioning into your lid, into your crease space, because that's actually what you want. That's actually kind of part of the look. So that's what makes it really easy. So what I'm going to do for that small inner corner space, I'm just going to take a pointy brush, an eyeliner brush actually, and I'm just going to go right there in that little space right there. So the other thing I noticed that she did when she took the glitter, she also kind of put it on the end and kind of tapped up. So that's what I'm going to do with this. So I'm just going to kind of tap it up, kind of on like that V angle. Yeah, that's really pretty. So then she also took another color and put that in the center of the lid. She had a Dose of Colors glitter, I believe. So the closest thing that I found was in my Kylie palette, and it was this color right here on the end. So she actually took that color and put that on the brow, just right underneath the brow bone. And then that same color she put on the, I said that she put on the lid, but I tried that and it didn't come across as well as I wanted to, as pigmented as I wanted it to. So I went back into the Desi X Katy one. So I actually put this color on my lid. So what I did, instead of using my finger, I took a flat brush and I sprayed Fix Plus on it. And I'm just kind of putting that, concentrating that in the center. Actually, I think what I did is I did with my finger first. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, see, I'm telling you, these colors are best applied with your finger. And now that I think about it, I think I did Fix Plus on this side with a brush, because as you can probably tell that this one looks a little brighter than this one. So what I'm going to do is kind of dip my hand back in. That's the problem when you do your one eye first. Kind of don't remember what you did. But it's okay, we'll fix it. There we go. So now you can see that just kind of, I don't know if that comes across on camera, but it really just kind of like brightened it up and kind of almost made a different kind of light bulb effect, like right here in the middle. So now I'm gonna go back with my blending brush back into that first color and just kind of lightly apply a little bit more and just bring it all in. So then what you'll find is that the glitter kind of transitions, like the little flecks transition into this color, into your transition color, and really makes a nice glitter effect. I love that. So now what we're gonna do is go in and apply a black liner. So I'm just using my black Inglot gel liner. And I'm just really gonna do a thin line right there on that lash line there. And I'm doing this part at the end last because I want to smudge it a little bit. So I want it to be wet when I get ready to do that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take a pointy brush and I'm going to kind of smudge it. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. And then kind of push it up a little bit. So I'm kind of pushing it up kind of into the V area of the outside eye. There you go. See, you know, it just kind of darkens it up on the end there. So you can take this off. And I like these shadow shields because I feel like it just does the job without you working too hard once you get to your concealer. Because what you can do is you can omit the shadow shield and do this and get the same effect by just taking a brush with your concealer and kind of going along the line. But I feel like this saves time, and this also, I just think, defines it a little bit more. So what we're going to do is go into mascara. Now I believe she had lash extensions in the Dose of Colors video because she didn't apply lashes. And she only applied mascara to her lower lash line. So you could apply lashes, obviously. I wanted to keep this look simple because not everybody knows how to apply lashes. Not everybody wants to take the time for lashes. So I really wanted to keep this as simple as possible for anybody that wanted to achieve this look. So now I'm taking, so that was L'Oreal Double Extend. That was the primer side. Now I'm using the 5-star Charlotte Tilbury mascara. So as you can see, I applied my foundation, my concealer, bronzer, all off camera. Got a little more sexy for you since we're really kind of doing it up. So let's move right into the lower eyelid. I'm still using the Desi X Katy Frinkation palette. And this time I'm using the color Queens. And it's a little darker than the other color Churro that I used before. So I'm just taking a shader brush and I'm going to go all along that lower lash line. Yep, that's it. And now I'm going to take a pointy brush and go into the color that we put in the center of the lid and on the brow bone. What's the name of that? Just a Kiss. So I'm taking that and I'm putting that in the inner tear duct area. All right, and then I'm going to go right into mascara. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Double Extend. So now I'm going to move into highlight. I'm going to use the Shayla ColourPop, the Pose highlighter, because it's really a nice highlighter for a bronzy look, and we're really kind of bronzing it up. So I'm going to take that, tap off a little bit, kind of working with it in the cap. And then I'm also going to take it up a little higher, kind of towards my brow bone. This is such a pretty highlighter. All right, and then I'm going to take my finger and kind of go along my Cupid's bow there. Do a little bit on my nose. So something that she did in the Dose of Colors video, she took the same color, the one that we put kind of on our brow bone here. She took that and kind of took a big fluffy brush and kind of put it all over her face, which it ended up looking gorgeous, but she's already a gorgeous girl anyway. So, but it made me kind of want to try it. So this is my first time trying it. So let's see. So you remember I went into the Kylie palette. That's the color that I used. And so I'm taking my big fluffy brush here. Oh shoot, here we go. I'm a little nervous. So what she did is she just kind of patted it on her face, kind of like that. Okay. All right, that's cute. It's not too crazy. Yeah, if you don't like glitter or anything like that, or like to look blingy, you probably wouldn't want to do this look. But if you like that kind of thing, I actually think this is a great look for the holidays. Shoot, I would rock this for Thanksgiving. Really. I think it's a great look for the holidays, especially like in December for like a holiday party or something. Because obviously you wouldn't go to work with this all glitter and, you know, and shiny stuff all over your face, right? So you kind of want to do it up a little bit for parties. So, and I have to admit, even this would be stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit, just with the glitter all over the face. But I actually like it. You can tell, right? Because I keep like patting it all over. Now what she did is she also kind of put it here, but I feel like I would want a stronger highlight there. So I'm going to dip back in to the ColourPop, the Shayla highlighter, and just kind of put that like right there. And see how that just kind of like really adds a nice little pop. And then you can also kind of put it right there along your shoulders. And just really get all glittered up. Get that. Yep, that's good. I would say I'm glitter and bronzed. So now for the lips, I'm going to use, I already have Chestnut kind of outlined, and I'm just going to go over it a little bit more. Just like that. I'm going to bring it in a little bit right there. And then she used a nude liquid lipstick. I'm going to use a nude lipstick. It's More Creamer Please from Dose of Colors. So put it right there in the center. Blot a little bit. And then she applied a lip gloss over it. I'm going to use my all-time favorite, the Fenty Gloss Bomb. It's just It's just the best lip gloss. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will see you next time.